If you're looking for an easy, tasty way to cook yams, you're in the right place. Let me show you how I prepare mine. Peel the yams and cut them into small pieces. Wash thoroughly and set aside. Next, prepare your ingredients: onions, carrots, and tomatoes. Place a frying pan on heat, add cooking oil, and fry the ingredients until soft and fragrant. Add salt and your preferred seasoning or curry powder. Now add yams into the same pan and mix everything well. Pour in some water, cover the pan, and let it boil for 15 to 20 minutes until the yams are soft. Turn off the gas, serve hot, and enjoy every bite.